मित्रांनो, परीक्षेमध्ये जास्तीत जास्त गुण मिळविण्यासाठी सततचा सराव खूपच महत्त्वाचा असतो. आम्ही बनविलेले व्हिडिओज जर आपण पुन्हा पुन्हा पाहिले व शेवटपर्यंत पाहिले तर नक्कीच त्याचा खूप फायदा होईल. आपण टॉप स्कोरर बनाल, कारण प्रॅक्टिस मेक्स मॅन परफेक्ट. मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगल्यात चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.
Hello friends, now learn question answers of lesson number 3, effects of British rule. Question 1, rewrite the statements by choosing the appropriate options. 1. Portuguese, dash, French, British participated in the competition of capturing Indian markets. Options are Austrian, Dutch, German, Swedish. Dutch, Portuguese, Dutch, French, British participated in the competition of capturing Indian market. 2. In 1802, Peshwa dash signed the subsidiary alliance with the British. Options are Bajirao first, Savai Madhavrao, Peshwa Nana Saheb, Bajirao second. Bajirao II. In 1802, Peshwa Bajirao II signed the subsidiary alliance with the British. 3. Jamshedji Tata started the manufacturing of steel at Tata Iron and Steel Industry established in dash. Options are Mumbai, Kolkata, Jamshedpur, Delhi. Jamshedpur. Jamshedji Tata started the manufacturing of steel at Tata Iron and Steel Industry established in Jamshedpur. Question number 2. Explain the following concepts. 1. Civil services. Answer. 1. To strengthen the British rule in India, there was a need of bureaucrats. Lord Cornwallis introduced bureaucracy. 2. Civil services became an important part of British government. 3. For the convenience of administration, divided the British occupied territories districts. 4. The district collector was chief of district administration. He was responsible for collection of revenue, giving justice, maintaining law and order. 5. The officers were appointed through competitive examinations known as Indian Civil Services ICS. 2. Commercialization of agriculture. Answer. 1. Initially, food grains were cultivated by the farmers. It is used to fulfill their domestic needs as well as the needs of village. 2. The British government started giving more encouragement to cash crops like cotton, indigo, tobacco, tea, etc. 3. The process of giving stress on cultivation of profit-giving cash crops instead of food grains is known as the commercialization of agriculture. 3. Economic policy of British. Answer. 1. Many invaders settled in India and were absorbed in the Indian culture. Even though they ruled here, they never made any changes in the basic Indian economic system. 2. The Britishers were an exception. England was a modern nation. 3. Due to industrial revolution, capitalist economy prevailed. Due to this, Britishers gained economic benefit, but India started facing economic exploitation. Question number 3. Explain the following statements with reasons. 1. Farmers in India became bankrupt. Answer. 1. The farmers were exploited by the government, zamindar, moneylenders and merchants. 2. To pay the taxes, Indian farmers started selling the crops at the lower prices. 3. The merchants and brokers were purchasing their goods at minimum rate. 4. At some times, the farmer had to mortgage their land to the moneylender to pay the tax. Due to such reasons, farmers in India became bankrupt. Even for repayment of loan, the farmers had to sell their land. 2. There was a decline of traditional industries in India. Answer. 1. There were huge taxes on the goods exported to England, but very less tax on goods imported from England to India. 2. The goods manufactured in England were machine-made and hence there was maximum production at minimum cost. 3. To compete with such cheap products, it was very difficult for the Indian artisans. This led to closing of traditional industries. Therefore, there was decline of traditional industries in India. Question number 4. Complete the following table. So the table is given in first column person, in second column work. First column, Lord Cornwallis introduced the civil services in India. Lord William Bentinck passed Sati Prohibition Act. Lord Dalhousie passed Widow Remarriage Act, rejected the adoption policy for princely states. William Jones established Asiatic Society of Bengal.
मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राइब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राइब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राइब करा.